when it comes down to late payments, if the account is still open, all you have to do is send out that late payment letter. If you don't have a late payment letter, I don't know if the late payment letter is a part of exclusive membership, but I'll make sure I have it for you guys. But I'll have a link for you guys. But when it comes down to the late payments, if you have that account right now, just send them that letter. If the account is like closed, you can also send them a letter, but you may want to send in disputes too. So send in disputes wherever that account is reported, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. Send in disputes for them to actually remove that account from your credit reports. That's what I would suggest. But understand this, when you send in disputes to remove accounts from your credit reports, and then too, like all you have to do is just put the name of the account, like on round 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, send out the round letter. Just put the name of the account and then you'll put just like the account number and then put I was never late on this account, or remove the late payments from these dates, you know. But if you send out dispute letters, they may remove the full account from your credit report. So, you know, I would suggest you try the late payment removal method, like where you send a letter directly to the company, and I have that letter you can send out. But if that don't work for you and you really need to get those late payments removed, think about sending letters to the credit bureaus, but understand that if you send letters to the credit bureaus, they may remove the full account from your credit report. So, like that part to it.